Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out 3 knives from CJRB all-in-one unboxing. I believe these are the same model. Yes, it looks like we're looking at the Maximal, a design from David C. Andersen from the Knife Center. I'm sure you guys have seen the Knife Center channel. I mean, if you're watching my channel, chances are you already ran into the Knife Center channel. So that is your guy over there doing all the videos, and the man, the myth, the legend, David C. Andersen. This is his design with CJRB. We got a chance to do an original unboxing here on this green Micarta version. I believe there might be another green Micarta, which if that's the case, we'll be doing a giveaway here once we hit the next milestone. You definitely want to be subscribed for that. And then we have 2 other models here. We have a red G10 and a carbon fiber, so we're going to waste no time and get in here, guys. All these will be linked down below. So if you guys want to check prices, availability, and variants, definitely check those links. Those links do help out the channel, but that's at 0 extra cost to you, and of course completely up to you as well. So here we go. First one, let's take a look. Ooh, the red G10 looks nice. I don't know if you guys know this, but red is actually my favorite color. So absolutely, yeah. I don't even think I have a red G10 knife, so this is looking really nice. Of course, it comes with the wiping cloth and the silica gel all in that zipper pouch. All right, action is, oh man, yeah, as you would expect, very, very cool, very, very nice. The great ergos, feeling nice, feels the hand. We're going to come back to all these once we get them all unboxed, but let's just go ahead and get them all out here. This one's going to be the carbon fiber ones. Let's see what this one's all about. All right, same deal here. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy out. Oh man, okay, listen, I don't know. Red is my favorite color, but this carbon fiber one is looking sweet. All right, let me get you a closer look. It's got the weave carbon fiber going on there. It has the same gold pivot color as the green Micarta version right there. Right, looking really good. Sandwich construction, recessed liners, 2 standoffs, and I don't know. Right now it's between the red G10 and this carbon fiber version. That is looking really, really good. And of course, last but not least, let's go ahead and check this other one out here. I believe this one might be, if the box is right, might be another green Micarta version. So you know a giveaway is in order. You definitely want to be subscribed to the channel here once we hit the next milestone. These will be given away. Holy smokes. Okay, this is the thing you should keep in mind with Micarta, guys. Micarta varies a little bit. You know, if you and a bunch of your buddies get the same Micarta knife model, like this one for example, you're going to get a slight different variation. So for example, the green tones on this particular Micarta here is just a little bit darker than the original green Micarta that I got a chance to check out here in the channel. So same model right there. One of these is going to be given away. So yeah, just wanted to show you the difference variation there. Still Micarta, still feels like Micarta. So that none of that is going away, but yeah, same good action right here. And so we got a stone washed blade on this one. This is AR RPM 9, right? Very good budget steel from CJRB. And this one's stone washed. The G10 also has a stone wash blade. It is going to be a flat grind, and these things are really, really slicey. You'll see them in just a moment here. And there's actually something a little different about the carbon fiber one, because we actually get a satin finish, right? We get a satin finish on this one. They call it sand polish on the box. And wait a second, did we miss a detail? Wait a moment, right? Hold the phone. ARSF2. What in the world is ARSF2? Future me, put something on the screen there, because as of the moment of recording this video, I have no idea. This is my first time checking out ARSF2, so that's interesting, right? I mean, it has to be a CJRB steel, right? When they put AR in the front, right? We got AR RPM 9 on all the other models, right? But ARSF2, that's something totally new, and I'm here for it. So definitely I'm going to look into that. This is just a unboxing overview. This is not a review in any way, shape, or form. I have been actually carrying the original green Micarta that was sent to me for some time, so the review here should be coming down the line. I can tell you the crossbar has actually gotten really, really smooth. This one has broken in really nicely with the ball bearings and everything. They already come super well tuned from the factory, right? Yeah, I can feel it right here. So they only break in more and more as time goes, right? Check out the red G10 version. Man, that is, I'm really digging this one, I'll tell you that. So it's between the green, so it's between the red and the carbon fiber for me. I'll tell you that right now. Feels good, nice. Ergos are really good on these. Of course, they are very ambidextrous friendly, so lefties out there rejoice. Any knife with a crossbar lock, right, allows for you to use it with your left hand if you're a lefty. It's also finger safe because you can close the blade without having your fingers on the way of the knife there. And of course, they all come with the very nice CJRB pocket clip. It's actually stone washed on these other models to match the stone washed blade, and it's actually satin finish on the carbon fiber model to match the sand polish or satin finish blade on this carbon fiber model. So check that out. And yeah, as far as ergonomics go, I mean, you can squeeze on this handle even with the pocket clip there as much as you want. This is a good 9.5 out of 10, with a 10 out of 10 being a fixed blade or something like that. But yeah, this is really as good as it gets. The pocket clip is deep carry, so it's gonna sit really, really nice and flush in the pocket, and you can reverse it if you're a lefty and mount it on the other side, right? Very, very easily. So definitely you have that going for you. Everything here is T8 except the pocket clip, so that's really nice. We're getting the bigger hardware now. T8 over T6. Thumb studs feel really comfortable. Great deployment here off of the thumb studs. Even with my left hand, where I have zero dexterity since birth, if I have gotten any sort of good, I guess you can say, if there's such thing, with my left hand, is because of all these different videos where I'm showcasing the lack of dexterity on my left hand. But yeah, I'm not a lefty, I'm a righty, obviously, so just trying to prove a point there. Guys, let me know in the comments which of these is your favorite. I definitely would love to know which one are you digging the most. Of course, yeah, if you want to check out a size comparison against some other knives, check out the original unboxing. Also here in the channel, I compare it to some of the typical suspects here in the channel as well. Let's just do a quick scientific cutting test here, right? Starting with the brand new Micarta version. Bam, boom, AR RPM 9, right? Really, really good, performing well. Same thing with this one, AR RPM 9 on the red G10. All right, there you go. Cuts really good. And the, again, brand new kid in the block here, AR SF2. Again, completely, yeah, completely new steel I haven't checked out before. So obviously going through that paper with no issues. I have a piece of cardboard right here, single wall in this section and dual wall in this section back here. So we're gonna go ahead and get some slices done here. Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular but at an angle. So let's kind of go in that same order, right, that we cut the paper, starting with the green, brand new green Micarta version. Oh yeah, flat grind putting in some work, no doubt about it. Switching over to the red G10, still AR RPM 9. All right, pretty good. And keep in mind, any knife cutting cardboard here, it's going to cut pretty good with a single wall. And any knife, regardless of the steel, is always going to struggle a little bit with the dual wall cardboard. Doesn't mean it's not going to cut it. It just means it's more challenging for that edge because you're now cutting twice the material. So last but not least, the carbon fiber with the AR SF2. There we go. And now, obviously, I have less of the cardboard to grip onto. So I'm fighting for leverage here a little bit. But yeah, definitely a clean cut even through the dual wall cardboard, guys. Rate these edges on a scale from 1 through 10, right? Rate these factory edges, right? 10 being the sharpest. You all let me know in the comments. Well, there you have it, guys. That is a quick unboxing overview of these different new variants of the CJRB Maximal, right? Again, the red G10 right there. The green Micarta version here, both of these with a stone wash finish, AR RPM 9, and the carbon fiber here with the new SFI2 steel. Now, if I didn't know any better, I would say that this one is exclusive. Chances are it probably is. So if you got your eyes on this one, again, I'll have it linked down below where you guys can check all these out. And again, here's the OG one that I got a chance to check out. So let me know, what do you like about these? What do you love about them? Is there anything you dislike about them? Let's hang out in the comment section down below. Again, shout out to David C. Andersen for making such a really, really good EDC design here on this knife. Subscribe to the channel if you want to check out that review here down the line. Shout out to CJRB for saying these in for me to check out and share with you guys. And shout out to my Patreon supporters and channel members for supporting what I do here. You guys are awesome. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.